everyone. This is the Bacha Nadine Jiggy production. Starting from now, I'm gonna be their director. So, yeah, they said I'm gonna make this whole thing much better. I mean, yeah, I'm a talking dog, for goodness sakes. So, I'll be directing this whole thing, and one of my friends will be producing it. You'll see him later. Anyways, enjoy our videos. Well, you better we work hard for these. So yes, bye. Toodles.
English. Who is this? Hello? Hi, baby. What? Me? I will cut you. De joke lang. Seryoso ka? Shit. He broke up with me. Hindi na pala kami. Tingnan mo tuloy. Tingnan mo tuloy. Napakain ako. Teardrops grilled. Susuntukin ko siya. How can he do this to me? Wow. Wow. The friends na to. Sabi ko na nga ba, may baba. I thought she has another girl. Hey girl, it's all about sad noise. You know you missed church today? Everybody was expecting you. What's wrong with you anyway? It's just a bad day, okay? What are you doing with that? What's wrong with you? You skipped Sunday just to drink? Are you mad? Choc. Choc glue stick yan. Really? It tastes good. Choc glue stick yan. I know. Just got it from a cheap store, and it's really cute. It's so I don't want to hear it. Girl, what's wrong with you? Don't call me girl. I have a name.
serious?
Tapos, chinachat ko siya.
What? You're chatting with your ex-boyfriend?
Oo, tama.
Are you heartbroken? Let me ask you that. Are you?
Huh?
Are you heartbroken?
Oo! I broke up with my boyfriend. Pinagpalit ako sa mapayat na walang... He replaced me with skinny bones.
Skinny ass bones?
Skinny ass.
Oh my gosh, that's a serious problem. You know who you need? You know who you need?
Who?
I
I don't need anyone. I can replace him.
No. I can tell that your heart is broken into 1,000 pieces. And the only one who can fix it is Dr. Fix Damage. You should
So-
go to him. I heard.
Matagal na akong hindi nakakapunta kay Fix Damage.
So, what are you waiting for, girl?
Don't touch
Making?
me. Don't touch me and don't call me girl.
What are you waiting for? Put your clothes on. What the hell?
Wait lang. I